Ever scrolled through Facebook and suddenly found yourself clicking on a product you didn't even know you needed 5 seconds ago? Ever wondered how those ads seem to magically appear in your feed, perfectly tailored to your interests? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Facebook ads and, more specifically, how you can leverage this powerhouse platform to skyrocket the sales of your Oberlo dropshipping products. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's paint a picture. You've painstakingly curated your Oberlo store, filled it with trendy, in-demand products. You're excited, maybe even a little impatient, to see those sales rolling in. But then, crickets. Sound familiar? The truth is, having a great product is only half the battle. You need to get those products in front of the right eyes, and that's where Facebook ads come into play. Think of Facebook as a massive digital marketplace, a bustling city square where billions of potential customers hang out every single day. Facebook ads are your storefront in this digital metropolis, your opportunity to showcase your products to the people most likely to buy them. But just like setting up a physical store, you can't just throw your products out there and hope for the best. You need a strategy, a plan, and a clear understanding of how this platform works. So where do we begin? The first crucial step is understanding your audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their interests, their pain points, their desires? Oberlo likely gives you access to a wide range of products, each appealing to a different niche. Trying to sell cat toys to dog lovers, or trendy fashion to retirees who prefer classic styles, is a recipe for wasted ad spend. Facebook offers incredibly powerful targeting options. You can target people based on demographics like age, gender, location, and education. But the real magic lies in interest-based targeting. Are you selling fitness equipment? You can target people interested in specific sports, gyms, or health and wellness publications. Selling beauty products? Target those who follow beauty influencers, engage with makeup brands, or express interest in skincare routines. Take some time to really think about who your ideal customer is for each product you're selling through Oberlo. Create detailed buyer personas, fictional representations of your ideal customers, outlining their demographics, interests, online behavior, and motivations. This will be your North Star as you navigate the Facebook ads landscape. Once you have a clear picture of your audience, the next step is crafting compelling ad creatives. Think of your ad as the first impression your brand makes. It needs to be visually appealing, attention-grabbing, and clearly communicate the value of your product. For image ads, use high-quality, eye-catching photos or graphics that showcase your product in the best possible light. Consider lifestyle shots that show the product in use, helping potential customers visualize themselves owning and benefiting from it. Video ads are even more engaging. Short, punchy videos that highlight the key features and benefits of your product can be incredibly effective. Consider demonstrating how the product works, showcasing customer testimonials, or telling a story that resonates with your target audience. Regardless of the format, your ad copy is equally important. Your headline needs to be attention-grabbing and clearly state the benefit of your product. The body copy should expand on this, highlighting the key features and addressing any potential pain points. Don't forget a clear and compelling call to action, CTA. Tell people exactly what you want them to do, whether it's shop now, learn more, or visit website. Now, let's talk about the structure of your Facebook ads campaigns. Facebook organizes ads into campaigns, ad sets, and individual ads. Think of it like this. A campaign is your overall marketing objective, e.g., driving website sales. Within a campaign, you have ad sets which define your target audience, budget, placement, where your ads will appear on Facebook and its network, and schedule. Finally, within each ad set, you have your individual ads, the actual creatives, images or videos, and accompanying text. It's generally a good idea to start with multiple ad sets within a campaign, each targeting a slightly different segment of your audience or testing different interests. This allows you to see which audiences are most responsive to your ads. Budgeting is another crucial aspect. You need to decide how much you're willing to spend on your Facebook ads. You can set a daily or lifetime budget for your campaigns and ad sets. Start with a comfortable budget that allows you to gather enough data to make informed decisions. As you see which ad sets and ads are performing well, you can gradually increase your budget for those and scale your efforts. Facebook's Pixel is your best friend when it comes to tracking the effectiveness of your ads. It's a small piece of code that you install on your website. The Pixel allows Facebook to track actions that people take on your website after clicking on your ad, such as adding items to their cart, initiating checkout, or making a purchase. This data is invaluable for understanding which ads are driving conversions and for optimizing your campaigns. Once your campaigns are up and running, the work doesn't stop there. You need to continuously monitor your ad performance. Pay attention to key metrics like reach, how many people saw your ad, impressions, how many times your ad was displayed, click-through rate, CTR, the percentage of people who clicked on your ad after seeing it, cost per click, CPC, and, most importantly, cost per acquisition, CPA. How much it costs you to acquire a customer. Analyze this data regularly. Which ad sets have the highest CTR? Which ads are driving the most conversions at the lowest CPA? Use this information to refine your targeting, adjust your creatives, and optimize your budget allocation. Don't be afraid to pause underperforming ads and double down on what's working. A/B testing, also known as split testing, is a powerful technique for optimizing your Facebook ads. It involves creating multiple versions of an ad, e.g., different headlines, images, or CTAs, and showing them to the same audience to see which performs better. This allows you to make data-driven decisions about which elements of your ads resonate most with your target audience. Finally, remember that the world of Facebook ads is constantly evolving. New features, algorithms, and best practices are introduced regularly. Stay up to date by following industry blogs, attending webinars, and continuously learning. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.